Oh, it's just it's not one thing, it's the other. Right, Nathan, give me your shoe.
There you go.
Give me your shoe.
Nathan,
What?
ready when you are, mate.
Hang on, it's just having
One
the
sec on.
degree flying service Premier.
Ah! I want Premier service.
That's the super premier service, having your shoes wiped by
Oh, look at
the
that.
green flag assistant at the bottom.
Exactly, you've got to pay for it, man, to get it.
If you have that.
Climb it!
Alright. Either that or caving on it and get it nice and smooth direct.
Ah,
Cable
then
would
the
be really green and slimy.
loose one.
Death on a stick. Yeah, always is. It's dead bold to start with. It can be a bit green over that one. It's up to the right. Down there. Unless you've done stuff down there.
Oh, that's right.
I'm just thinking down here if they're clean, isn't it? Clean and quick drying.
Yeah.
And properly goes anywhere to the way down there.
Nice one, mate.
Oh, farted.
Stress fart.
There isn't many frogs up there.
Oh, dear. What have we got, Adam? Do you see anything? That's what I can't feel anything. Spin round.
You probably want to try and smear your left foot on the rock in front of you. Get your backside with some friction behind you.
On that.
Yeah, and back foot it with your left foot, or your right foot. That's it.
It's wrong, innit? Yeah, just here. Yeah.
Yeah, try putting it in that crack to start with at the side. Down, right down and out.
Well, it would spin round, turn
Yeah.
round, really.
What, spin the whole way round?
Yeah, so you
And do it.
do it that way, like that.
Right, yeah, see?
Because
Yeah.
You
It's
just
like
go
you're
round
gonna
it.
get a good crack for your left. Yeah.
Should-
Left hand if you're facing that way. Well done. You're doing well. Can you bridge out with your left foot in the crack out on this arete here, on this edge? The other side.
Wait. Stay there, but
Two midges on my arm. Been leaving them to feed. I hope she's just flying off that gate now.
Nice one,
Full
Nate.
of blood.
Good one.
Right, Nathan, bring your left foot off that nice positive
Jeffy's here.
hold
Yeah.
and take it across to the left in that crack. That's it. And now get your right foot, bring it in a bit, there's a better...
oh yeah, there we go.
There we go, brilliant. Now step out of the crack if you can, because it allows you to see where you want to go. Yeah, that's much
Nice
better.
one, Nathan.
Brilliant. Now if you turn your body slightly to the right,
Yeah.
get your hands in that crack that's above you, and your foot's going to come up, your right foot's going to come up behind your backside. So your right foot. Turn your body the other way. That's the one. Nice.
Nice one.
Oh no.
Yeah, I reckon you spin round.
Yeah. That's it. Now just smear your left foot up on the wall. Trust it. It's nice and dry. So the palm of your foot. Yeah, that's it.
Shut up, what?
Well done. That's great.
That's it.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Nice, Nathan. Nice and steady. That's good, mate. Well done.
Brilliant.
Which fancy them, eh?
Just got to go around and I'll look at it. Now I've got this.
Narrow buttress, yeah.
Well done.
Good one, Nathan. Okay, Nathan,
Yeah.
just stop there. You've got a really nice crack sign now that is really steady,
Yeah.
and it would be, the more steady you take it, the easier it will be. So if you just think, really steady, well within your abilities, got footholds all the way up. It's really nice. Just breathe nice and regularly.
Upside down.
Well, it's just there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, buttress, quite close to the water.
Got more footholds coming up.
You've still got mine. Oh, no, it's here.
Yeah, I would say.
Beautiful. Really nice, mate. Well done. You put your foot under you there, and it was just lovely. really lovely up here. Nice and steady.
Looking for a job and I found a job. I've got such a beautiful voice. I think it's accentuated. What? Yeah. It's only 4 years.
Hold on, Nathan.
Yeah, there is, isn't there? There's an E2 cop out. I did a D1. I've done it. Did it in the west the other day.
Nice, Nathan, well done.
We're on the, that. Is it E2, is it?
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's E2 and UK3 with cop out. Fair enough, actually. 12 E200. It's all good, you could use your feet up here. Yeah, I do Central Trinity direct. Just Central Trinity.
There's great holes over the top. Good, mate, well done.
Oh yes.
That's it. Nice feet coming up. Beautiful, mate. Well done. Really good. Top coming, yeah. Coming your feet. All the way up. Beautiful. This one is the big daddy of holes. The daddy, Nathan.
Full on Daddy's holes, is that? Sorry.
You probably appreciate it anyway.
Well done, mate. Good shot.
Well, not splitting them for Donny, was it?
No.
I was going to say Donny's like a piece of business, just about 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's it. Talking about.
Really lovely.
Closer to Awesome Walls as well.